Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we'll be replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. This will make the process smoother and more efficient. First, unplug your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety. Begin by removing the dustbin. Simply press the release button and pull it off gently. Next, locate the screws that secure the motor housing. There are typically 4 screws on the bottom. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a small container so they don't get lost. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor housing off. You might need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Now, you'll see the motor inside. Disconnect the wires attached to the motor. This may require the use of your needle nose pliers. Remember to take note of where each wire connects for reassembly. If you find this process challenging, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues with your Dyson, ensuring you get the best service possible. Now, let's remove the old motor. You'll notice screws holding the motor in place. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the screws are out, carefully pull the motor out from the housing. Make sure you handle it gently to avoid damaging the surrounding areas. Before we install the new motor, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This step is crucial for maintaining the performance of your machine. Now, take your new motor and insert it into the housing. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier using the Torx screwdriver. Once it's firmly in place, reconnect the wires to the corresponding terminals. Ensure the connections are tight and secure to avoid any electrical issues. After this, carefully replace the motor housing back onto the vacuum. Make sure it fits snugly and is aligned correctly. Reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver to secure it in place. If you encounter any difficulties, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about traveling or making phone calls. We'll handle everything for you. Finally, reattach the dustbin by clicking it back into place. Plug your Dyson SV12 back into the power source and turn it on. Check to see that everything is working smoothly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your vacuum back in top shape. Congratulations! You've just replaced the motor in your Dyson SV12. With these steps, you can extend the life of your vacuum and maintain its performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.